Okay, so welcome back to the class, and today we'll discuss about political parties. Okay, so we'll discuss what is political parties and what are the types of political parties. Okay, so what do you mean by political parties? In your day-to-day life, everyone talk about political parties, isn't it? In a single day, at least, you must be using political parties name, isn't it? So what do you mean by political parties? What is coming to your mind as soon as you listening the word political parties? What is coming to your mind? Isn't it a association? We can say this is an association, isn't it? We can say this is a group of individuals, isn't it? So see, that doesn't mean that if you 4 or 5 guys are making a group, that cannot be a political parties. Can you call that a political parties? You can't call that a political party. So what is the features that is distinguishing political parties from other groups? Though I said the political parties is also a association or a group of individuals, still it has some distinct features which is making it political. Okay, and which is making it political parties. Okay, so what is political parties? So we can say this is a voluntary association or group of individuals. Okay, and what is happening inside them is they share a equal political views. Okay, the members of a political parties, they share a same political views. Okay, and what they try to gain, they try to gain political power. Okay, they, what's their aim? To gain the political power, to come to power, to win the election. Okay, through constitutional means. Okay, so they have the aim of gaining political power through constitutional means. And what are their desires? What are the end goal of a political parties? To promote the national interest, isn't it? The end goal should be to protect the national interest. Okay, so the political parties are only running the country, isn't it? Others are directly and indirectly helping them, but who is at the forefront? The political parties at the forefront. The parties in power, what should be its aim? Its aim should be to protect the national interest, isn't it? To run the country, to protect the national interest. Okay, so this is a political parties. Okay, then we will discuss about what are the types of political parties. See, I have written over here the types of political parties. This is the broad classification. Okay, we will discuss next what is single party system, what is multi party system. Okay, we will discuss that, but this is a broad classification. The first one is reactionary, conservative, liberal and radical. Okay, so we will discuss one by one what are the meanings of this, or what are the characteristics of this kind of political parties. Okay, in democratic state, if we'll see, we can see the broad classification of political parties according to this. What is reactionary political parties? Reactionary political parties, they basically they try to cleanse to the old socio-economic and political institutions. Okay, they try to cleanse to the old institutions. Okay, they don't want to change, or they don't want any change in their old socio-economic and their political institutions. Okay, so this is reactionary. Okay, then what is conservative political parties? So conservative political parties, they basically focused on the status quo. Okay, what do you mean by status quo? That means what is running presently, they don't want to change the present condition. Okay, they don't want to change the present condition. What is happening at the present time, they don't want to change. What are the difference between the reactionary and conservative? Reactionaries, they cling into the old socio-economic and political institutions, and the conservative, they don't want to, though they don't want any change in the present condition. Okay, that is known as conservative. What is liberal? Liberal parties, they mainly focus on reforming the existing institutions. Okay, liberal parties, they try to reform the existing institution, exactly opposite of what is conservative. Conservative try to maintain the status quo, and against that liberal try to establish a new order. Okay, they try to reform the existing institutions. Okay, then come radical parties. What are the aim of radical parties? They try to establish a new order by overthrowing the existing institutions. Okay, radical means they are talking about overthrowing the existing institutions. Okay, see, what is the difference between liberal and radical? Then liberal, they try to reform the existing institution. Okay, gradually they try to reform the institution. But radical, what they are trying to do is to overthrow the existing institutions. Okay, no reform, there is no need of reform, just throw the institution. Okay, overthrow the institution. Okay, this is radical political parties. So if we'll see the example, see, we will see the example, considering our case. Okay, our India, we'll see which parties are coming under which group. Okay, so if we'll see, we can classify these things, these four categories of political parties. Like, if we'll see, this is the center, this is the extreme left, and this is the extreme right. Okay, so if we will see the Congress party, okay, we'll see the Congress party, the Congress is at the center. Okay, the Congress is at the center. We can say Congress is a liberal party. Okay, so it try to reform the institution. Okay, it is trying to reform the existing institution. So we can say the Congress is a liberal party and it is existing at the center. Okay, center of an ideology scale, Congress is existing at the center, or you can say the Congress is a liberal party. Okay, and then you will see the CPI and the CPM. Okay, these political parties are the leftist parties. Okay, the CPI and CPM, if you will see, they are the leftist parties. Okay, leftist parties, they basically are the radical parties. Okay, the leftist parties are the radical parties. That means they are talking about overthrowing the existing institutions. So examples are CPI and CPM. And if we'll see the right parties, the rightist parties, if we'll see, they are the conservative one. Okay, we can say BJP. Okay, BJP is a conservative. We can say this is a right party. Why? Because it is trying to maintain the status quo. Okay,